Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if Facebook Messenger not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just check your internet connection. So mostly it happens because you have problems with your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi and just open Wi-Fi. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. So just reconnect to your network. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you still have this error, so just if you're using mobile data, just turn off mobile data and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. Also, if you have still this issue, so just go to the general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restart your phone. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also try another way. So just go to the general. In the general, just tap on software update and just wait until it will check for updates. And if you have here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And also you can try to remove your messenger. Just remove your messenger from your iPhone and just go to App Store. Just tap on search tab and just write in search tab messenger and just download and install messenger again on your iPhone. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.